Hello everyone, today I will give a quick guide how to apply screen protector film for Macbook. For a newly opened Macbook, we only need to do 2 steps. Step 1. Use a dry towel in the product's cleaning kit. Gently wipe away dust from the screen. Step 2. Use the sticker in the cleaning kit. Remove fine dust from the screen again. This step is very important. After the screen is clean of dust, start installation. Remove half of piece number 1. Then align the sticker evenly between the 2 roots and the camera. After correct alignment, apply screen protection film. Slowly pull out the rest of piece number 1. Slowly and gently to avoid leaving air bubbles. Final step. Remove piece number 2 slowly. So we're done. And here are my results. Thank you for watching.